All right, what's going on, y'all? Today I'm gonna be doing a review on some Serenede denim jeans. The Serenede Free World. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. They got like these like little like patches in them. I'm honestly just doing this review on these jeans because I seen them online, and I'm not like really fond on like buying stuff offline. I don't really like buying stuff offline. Like I like going to the mall or going to the store and like trying the stuff on. But you know, I ordered these jeans and I didn't know if they was how they was gonna like fit and stuff. And I'll try to look up like some reviews on YouTube, see if anybody had them. You know, anybody that was like kind of like my size had them, and you know, because I wanted to see how they would like fit me. I didn't know if they was gonna fit or not. So I'm doing a review on these jeans just in case anybody else like me decides to like buy them. They need to see how they like fit and stuff. Here's how they look. They got like these cool like patches. They got like a little tag. So right now I'm about to try them on so y'all can see how they look. And I'm a 34. So this is how a 34 look. I ain't gonna lie, y'all, like the quality of these jeans is like really good. Like the way they feel, like they kind of like stretchy, kinda. And like the way they feel, like just super like quality. Like the denim feels real, just like, I don't know, like tough. You know, I'm not seeing really like many like factory flaws. I ain't seeing no like, you know, loose ends or nothing like that on the jeans. So they're real like clean and stuff. Yeah, so yeah, I really like how these fit for real. And they kind of like skinny at the bottom. I don't know, when shoes are like skinny, when pants are like skinny at the bottom, I don't know if that's called like boot cut or like slim. I don't really know what they call it, but yeah, as y'all can see, they real like skinny at the bottom. Like real skinny. So yeah, these, once again, these are a size 34. You know, if you like skinny jeans, I definitely would suggest these, definitely. Yeah. All right, y'all, so that was my little review on these Serenede Free World jeans. So yeah, definitely Serenede, they're a really good brand, really quality jeans. Would I suggest buying these? 100%. Now, I ain't gonna lie, like I'm not the type to like just spend tons of money like on jeans. I probably spend like 30 on jeans at max. But when I seen these, like I knew I had to have these. Like the way they look, they just super like stylish. Like I just like really, I had to have these. Like these are some super quality, like really dope jeans. And yeah, I got a couple fits in mind that I'm gonna probably like throw together with these. But yo, that's the end of the video. If you like this video, like, share, comment, subscribe, do all that, and I'll see you in the next one.